The 35th District Level Industrial Exhibition organized by the Office of General Manager of District Commerce and Industrial Centre in Jawai was inaugurated today by Additional Commissioner W. Kharbuli as the chief guest. The two-day event featured around 30 stalls set up by SHGs, entrepreneurs and government departments from West Jante Hills district. During his speech, Kharbuli encouraged entrepreneurs and artisans to seize this opportunity provided by the department and dedicate themselves fully to their work to achieve their production goals.
Bakalong kumni bata kani ke exhibition jingsha ka ari ka rensan hampam ye phi baro ya kata ya kita ki local artisans lani ki entrepreneurs mo ki bayo ya talat kalti bikin wan banten I ya ki tiar ya ki crafts ki jongki iba ki la thao ki lashna